What's up, goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel and to my kitchen, how to cook. And today, baby, I'm going to show you how much it will cost you to spend $100 inside of Food Depot. So let's get right into the shopping haul. Alright, goodies, so if you are here for your first time, welcome, and if you're not come back to the channel, welcome back. Please go ahead and show this video some love simply by giving it a thumbs up, because when YouTube says I love it, then I'm gonna love it right back. The channel will grow and the video will go grow. So thumbs up the videos, okay? Alright, so let me show you guys my receipt. Alright, so this is Food Depot. And this is all that I purchased today. And the total was, let's see, right there. The total was $94.42 is what I spent, okay? All right, so let me show you guys what I got for $94.42. All right, so I got some red kidney beans, okay? And then I got some ginger. The ginger was $2.35. The red kidney beans, I believe that was $1.35 is what I paid. And then I did get some Scotch bonnet pepper. The Scotch bonnet pepper was $2.10. And them look really good too, right? Hopefully them hot. Now I did go back and get some more of my corn pigtail. This one is country cured pigtail, and it's pretty salty. It's cured. I did use that same pigtail to make my barefoot rice and peas the other day. Hopefully you guys might have watched it. Okay, and that was $3.66 is what I paid for that. All right, and so I got some plantains, and the plantains was $2.28 for 3 plantains. And the cabbage was $1.49. I believe that was 79 cents per pound, so that was 2 pounds or something. And then I did pick up some Sunny Delight. The Sunny Delight was on sale there though for, I think it was $3.50 on sale is what I paid for that gallon. All right, and then I picked up these juices there. This one is peach orchid punch, tropical punch, peach punch, and berry punch. They have all different kinds of flavor, but this is the one that I really buy if I'm buying juice for the house. That's if I'm not going to Walmart, right? All right, so this is really good though, and the juice was $1.59 each is what I paid. And they had snapper there. All right, so the snapper, I always get snapper in there if I don't go to the fish market. This was $11.29, and I got 2 snapper fish in here. They may be not the excellent, the best snapper that I've ever gotten. You have to go to the fish market to get them exactly how you want it, but at $11.29, I think that wasn't bad for 2 snapper, right? All right, so now I did get some oxtails here. Okay, these are the chunky oxtail for sure. I think I might do a mukbang with this, I'm not sure. But for that oxtail, I paid $12.83 for this oxtail. Beef tail is what they call it in the supermarket. So yes, that wasn't a bad price. Let me know how much you pay for your oxtails in your neck of the woods. Okay, now what else did I find? I did pick up some ginger ale here. The ginger ale was on sale for 99 cents. I've never used that brand before, but I really love to have ginger ale in the house, and sometimes I have a little burp, I want to burp, I just reach for my ginger ale. And then I bought some legs and thighs here. The legs and thighs, pretty big, couple pounds. Well, it was $6.90 in Food Depot. And then I got some tomatoes here. The tomatoes, I feel like the tomato wasn't bad. The price wasn't bad. That was $1.69 is what I got that for. And they had salad too, but I didn't have to pick up any salad because husband growing tomatoes in the backyard, and there's some of the tomatoes in the back of the yard and some little sweet grape tomatoes. This is from the garden in the backyard, y'all. All right, so my husband planted that, so I didn't need to get any of those. I just decided to just get these. $1.69, that's not bad. And then I did pick up some green bananas. The green bananas, I believe I paid like $2.50 for them 5 green banana here. And then I picked up some minced garlic here. That was $5 and change. I mean, I don't remember exactly how much it was for, but I believe it was $5 and something for the minced garlic. Let me see how much. Let me see if I could figure it out on here. The garlic. Let's see. How much did I pay for this garlic? $5.90 right there. Minced garlic, $5.90. So that was $5.90. And then I picked up some ketchup. That was also on sale for $1. And then I bought some coconut milk. That was $1.99. And then I picked up some hot pepper sauce. This says seriously hot. I wouldn't know because I don't eat it. My husband is the one that have me buying hot sauce all the time. And then what else did I get? I bought some beets as well because I usually use the beets to make juice, believe it or not. Okay. One day I'm gonna show you how I make beets using the canned one and some canned carrot. All right, so what else did I get? I got some sweet cherry cucumbers because I love them. American sweet cucumbers. I love them. They're so good. I'm obsessed with this thing, okay? I never go to the supermarket without getting it. And then I got some grape syrup because when I'm doing like certain kinds of a sauce or whatever I'm making, if I'm making seafood boil, sometimes I add some grape jelly in it. I think I already showed you guys a recipe using the grape jelly. Trust me, I use my grape jelly to cook because nobody don't really like grape jelly in the house to put it on bread, so I use it to cook. Yeah. And so I picked up some garlic powder because I use a lot of garlic in my kitchen, y'all, so my garlic powder always go quick. So I did pick up this particular bottle, and I know that's going to go in like a week or so. But yeah, so this is what I got for, how much did I say did I spend? Let's see. How much did I spend? Again, it was $94.42 in Food Depot. So I did stay under $100. I gave her $100 in cash is what I did, and my change was $5.58 is what she gave me back. So yeah, now how did you think I did? You think this was a good deal? Let me know down below what you guys think. If I went over budget. I think it's not that I went over budget. I just think that food is getting really expensive. But yeah, but this is all that I got to stay under $100, y'all. And believe me, it's not even enough for my family because there's no bread, there's no milk, there's none of that stuff. But yeah, but this is all I got for $100. So let me know again down below what you guys think, if this was a flip or a flop. Okay, y'all, food is getting really expensive these days. I kid you not. Okay, like seriously expensive. It doesn't make any sense, but yeah, this is it, y'all. This is a quick video of my shopping haul because I'm going to be showing you guys the things that I buy, and I try to kind of save cost when I go to the supermarket these days. So let me know your thoughts. If you guys do go to Food Depot to get your groceries, this is like a farmer's market, but they do have different things that they sell there. So let me know your thoughts down below, y'all. All right, so this is the end of the video. I hope that it did kind of help someone who has never been to the Food Depot before. Check them out. They do have a lot of things there, but they're a little bit pricey on the international section. All right, but this is it. Please go ahead and thumbs up the videos, my darling, on your way out. It is so appreciated. And if you do want to see me doing more grocery haul like this, let me know down below, and let me know your thoughts about the price, what I paid here for my foods. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one. Like, share, and subscribe. I will see you later, maybe in another cooking video or maybe in another haul. All right, love you guys. Bye.